Limuva Brightening Serum is marketed as a skincare product that supposedly brightens skin, fades dark spots, even skin tone, and creates a more radiant appearance. But the real question is, what's actually special about it? Now, to be fair, brightening serums are a real skincare category. Ingredients commonly used in these products, such as vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, or botanical extracts, can help improve the appearance of skin over time. What it does well may help improve hydration. Many serums include moisturizing ingredients that can make skin look smoother and healthier, could temporarily improve skin radiance. Hydrated skin often appears brighter and more refreshed. Where the hype falls apart, it will not completely transform skin overnight. This is the biggest issue. Marketing often creates unrealistic expectations of dramatic before and after changes. Results usually take time. Even proven skincare ingredients often require consistent use over weeks or months. The full formula matters. Having one popular ingredient listed on the bottle doesn't automatically guarantee strong results. So, what's so special about Limuva Brightening Serum? Short answer, probably the combination of ingredients and convenience rather than a breakthrough technology. The biggest appeal is likely providing hydration and potentially helping skin appear brighter with consistent use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.